Namaste children, Namaste parents. Today I am going to explain abacus, parts of abacus, how to add, how to subtract and how to use the formulas. Firstly, I'll explain you about the abacus too. What is abacus?
This is called as cerebral abacus. The outer part of the abacus is called as frame, and this is known as the middle bar, which divides into two parts. Upper beads, these are the beads, upper beads, it is called as upper beads, and these are the lower beads. The value of upper bead is 5 and the value of lower bead, each one is 1. This is 1, this is 1, this is 1 and this is 1. Now here, whenever we are starting anything on the abacus, add or subtract, we are starting from the midpoint. We have 5 points in the abacus tool, abacus kit. We are starting, we are two points apart, and we are starting from this midpoint. So children should not get confusions. That is why we are starting from this midpoint. Firstly, how to add on this abacus. Before adding, we will know the value of these beads. First, if you are touching this lower bead to the middle beads, holding of abacus is you have to hold properly with this left hand. In the right hand, there should be a pencil which is holding like this. Then we have to add one bead to the middle point, which is that middle bar, which is touching here. If it is touching to the middle line, then it is called as add. If the bead is back, then it is called as subtract. If there is no bead touching the middle bar, then the answer is 0. For the first one, add 1. We have added 1. Then if you are adding 2, 1, 2 beads at a time is known as 2. If you are adding 3 means we cannot see. If you are adding here from here, nothing. We cannot add 3 like this. So we have to back the beads and add 3. Then add 4. For adding 4, first add 4. If you are telling the beads are back, then we can add 4. Then for add 5, this is 5. Upper bead value is 5. So we are adding here 5. Then if you want 6 means 1 upper bead and 1 lower bead, which is touching the middle line. Then this is 6. For 7, if you need 7, 1 upper bead, 2 lower bead. Then this is 7, 5, 6, 7. Then for 8, 1 upper bead, 3 lower bead. That is 8, 5, 6, 7, 8. They has to touch the middle line. And for 9, we have to pinch in all the beads. That is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is add. For subtract 1, we have to less 1. For 2, we are taking 2 beads back. For 6, we are minusing this full bead out. Then the answer is 0. For less means we have to take the beads back, and for adding we have to touch the beads to the middle line.